All right, let's solve this question. 2 raised to power 22 multiply 3 to the power 33. So we know 22 is 11 multiply 2 and 33 is 11 multiply 3. So we can write 2 keep power 2 multiply 11 multiply 3. So 3 multiply 11, right? And then we know a to the power m to the power n equals a to the power mn. So this can be written as 2 to the power 2 whole power 11, 3 power 3 whole power 11. So now this would be 4 raised to power 11 and this is 27 power 11, right? And we know a power m multiply b power m is ab power m. So these powers are same. It would be 4 multiply 27 power 11 and this would be 810 power 11. So this is the answer.